Guys, how are you today?
Hello everyone.
This is my friend from Morocco, Maghrabi, Rakam Wahed. Rakam Wahed.
This is number one.
Why do you want it? You go for
Whatever.
the user
Don't asking about it why. I just activate.
And then,
And then
hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Yorme 23. Hello to my friend Emirati, Mohammed and Boss Walid. Stay pretty boy always. Let's eat guys inside. Sushi and grill with our we have a dinner with our ship. Shipsy, Concourse A, Rakam Wahed, Mia Mia,
Evening.
number one.
yes.
Summer and Blair. Ni hao ma.
因为我能吃的呀。
This is my friend Loda and Atimay from Philippines. Here. Shout out ka, shout out ka.
Shout out, pre.
Tropa. Shout out, Concourse A,
Ikaw lang pre,
FCN,
Hindi
and
lang, okay na pre. Shy type ako pre.
Tom Jones na yung pare ko.
Ay hindi mo mag-order sa home button lang. Ito lang, drink dito.
Ito sa duty free.
Check mo lang.
Hello to all Dubai duty free. Shipsy, Concourse A. Let's eat guys. Eating dinner at Walk of Fame. Number one, Mia Mia. Shout out to my big boss, Concourse A, Shipsy, Boss Sanjay Lama, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan. Stay healthy always and take care. Best regards to all Dubai duty free. Dinata, Marhaba, G4S, and Transguard. Stay healthy always. Stay safe. Take care. Enjoy your life. Hello to all my friends, dedicated staff, waiters and waitress from Myanmar. Very good, hardworking. Number one, Mia Mia, Rakam Wahed. Hello to all my friends. Myanmar, how are you? Shout out to all BA from Ship A, Ship B, Ship C, Ship D, and to all Daily Morning Perfume Shop. More sale, my friend. Enjoy selling every day. Be hardworking. Take care always. There is a lot of food. Japanese food. Tempura, sashimi, sushimi, California maki, French fries, salad, delicious, yummy, yummy, yum, yum. Shrimp tempura, delicious, yummy. Number one, let's eat guys. Japanese food. Yummy. This location at Business Bay, backside of Emirates and BD. Lunchtime, 11:30 a.m. up to 4 p.m. Dinner time, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Sit, bro. Sit, bro. Sit, bro.
हाँ भाई, कैसा है भाई? अच्छा है भाई? मुश्किल नहीं है भाई, मुश्किल नहीं है.
Vlog है क्या? Vlog? This is vlog?
My brother
From India.
from India, my friend. Kuya Anis, how are you?
Oh, amazing, my friend.
My friend from Nepal. Best regards to all DG boys. Uncle Pitts. Joen Bulgari. Michael Sanchez. AJ. Julius Creation. And Edgar Brescia. Billy Nandaison, Christopher Piscador, Boss Arby, Ron Chua, Dominic Solis, Louis ng Chanel, Edgar Creation. Stay safe. Stay pretty boy. Always. And take care. Hello to my friend Concourse B, Shipsy, Menjil, Frederick Cooks, aka LeBron James, Ompong, Eman, Papa Kent, Antonio, Rodel ng Versace. Stay pretty boy always and God bless. Shout out Katrina Sisley, Jamaica ng Gucci, Rosalinda Peregamo, Ate Hailin, Leslie ng Clinic, Crazy ng Kotimi, Marisa ng La Peri, Morsale, stay beautiful always. Enjoy your life and take care. Regards to Sandro Marudo, Mark Lewis ng Philip Morris, Michael ng Dunhill, Take care always, my friend. And more sail. Hello to all OFW all over the world, especially in Dubai, UAE. Take care always. Stay healthy. Regards to my friend Kenya, Big Paul and Big Sam. Hakuna Matata Kabisa. Mambo Jumbo. Dugo Dada. Rakam Wahid number 1. Best regards to all my managers. Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Nori, Ma'am Jasmine, Ma'am Tox, Ma'am Melanie. Stay beautiful always. Take care. And God bless. Guys, don't forget, subscribe, Yorme23. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. We love you all. Maasalam.